What's up guys? Sulit pa bang kumain sa Buffet 101 nowadays? Do stick around till the end of this video to find out. Punta agad tayo sa mga pagkain dito that can make you say na you're getting your money's worth. Meron silang seafood dito like hipon, available in buttered or simply steamed. Meron silang grilled seafood paluto, which includes tuna and salmon. Nagpaluto nga kami ng tuna sisig para healthier kahit papano. Speaking of tuna and salmon, there's sashimi sa Japanese section. At syempre hindi mawawala ang carving station. There's roast chicken, sausage, lechon belly, and roast beef. One of each kind lang basically, and may gravy rin. Kaso nga lang yung roast beef na kinuha ko masyadong dry, lacks flavor, and is challenging to chew. Same with the lechon belly, wala yung pagka-succulent niya. Dito nga sa Buffet 101, you can dine in for as low as 899 pesos for weekday lunch. May 3+1 birthday promo and big group promos rin sila, and this is how it looks dito sa Glorieta 3 branch nila, by the way. And mabalik lang tayo sa pagkain. Variety ang labanan dito sa Buffet 101. There's pretty much all the staples of a buffet restaurant. Yung ebi tempura na mabilis maubos. Doon sa Asian and Filipino sections, sagana sa iba't ibang putahe. May kaldereta, sinigang, stir-fried noodles, kuhol, may dim sum station although walang hakaw, may lumpia, fish skin, chicharon na katerno ng sukang sausawan. Napakaraming pagpipilian doon sa hile-hilerang buffet areas nila. Napakarandom nga ng first few plates ko. Kumuha ako ng lumpia, hipon, meats from the carving station. Meron rin akong chawan mushi and cream of broccoli soup to get started. And as your tummy is getting filled with more and more food, syempre, dapat may drinks ka rin. There's a lot of flavored juices here as well. Soft drinks, red wine, and even milk tea. Quite a surprise. Plus coffee and tea na kadalasan hinuhuli namin when we are dining in sa mga buffet. Kung health conscious kayo, don't worry dahil marami ring gulay. You can make your own salad. May dressing, mayroon pang kani salad, okra, pako salad, leeks, and kimchi doon malapit sa may mga sushi and sashimi, and even atsarang Pinoy. Mix and match lang talaga ang sushi rito para masulit. And if you can't let go of the carbs, lalo na sa mga bata na hindi pa complex ang panlasa, there's fries, nachos, bread station, cheeses and cold cuts, pizza, fried rice, pasta, there's fried chicken, and another kind of parabang chicken poppers. And now on to dessert. Ito ang pinaka-overwhelming rito sa Buffet 101. There's just a ton of choices. Lalo na for kids, you've got donuts, candies, cakes, may waffle maker rin sila, halo-halo station, ice cream, and even cookies. Kaya nga tayo napakape. Just for the balance, yung halo-halo walang ube ice cream, pero in fairness, okay ang sahog and it goes well with the mango ice cream. So kung value for money lang ang pag-uusapan, yes, okay pa rin naman rito sa Buffet 101. Is it the best buffet restaurant out there sa mga mall? Probably not. Lots of other contenders for that. Pero overall, okay na to. O paano? Follow for more.